I'm on a mission to remake one of the biggest Roblox games, Let's Go, with no team of skilled developers and money. I'm going to give myself 2 difficult challenges that I will need to complete. Can an average developer pull this off? Well, stick around to find out. If you missed my previous episode, here's what I was able to do. Create a pet exist system, script the wall inventory UI, and fully script the pet system. For challenge 1, I need to make all of these upgrades work, including auto roll. This won't be so easy, because I will try to make it look better than Pets Go. I started by scripting a system that will make these little icons appear if you have a certain boost unlocked. I gave each pet a lock multiplier and scripted a function that will return it. Now each pet has the lock multiplier value that is applied if it's equipped. For example, this dragon gives you 40% more luck. This value also stacks, so if I go ahead and roll a cat, as you can see, it went up to 50%. I tried to improve the lighting. I'm not sure if I made it better or it looks even worse. Also, there's something wrong with the chances. How am I seeing so many huges? Yeah, there's something wrong with the system. The issue was that I forgot to apply the chance, so now it should work. I have finally fixed the pet chances, and now you won't be able to get a huge every single roll. Before I was rolling them like crazy, and that needed to be stopped. I'm pretty sure Pets Go has a pity system, where if you don't get something rare for a long time, eventually you'll be able to get it, but I don't know how to make that. So I'll have to work with this basic randomizer system. At least it works, I'm not complaining. I got to work on the auto roll feature, and the first thing that I made was the UI. Then I started scripting the server side, where I checked if a certain upgrade is unlocked. And if upgrade 4, which is auto roll, was unlocked, it will enable the auto roll UI. I also scripted some animations, because I want it to look better than Pets Go. The auto roll works, which is really great, but there's a new problem. As you can see, there is a stutter effect between these animations, and it's because I'm trying to make the roll speed match with the tweens. In order to do that, you need a good formula, and if I'm being honest, I suck at math. Like, I'm really bad. I will figure this out eventually, but I also don't really like how the auto roll looks. The UI could be better, and I could add some spicy animations. I fixed the stuttering issue by removing this one line of code. Yeah, it was that simple. Let's go, the stuttering issue is fixed, and now the animation is really smooth. It has this nice pop effect. I also have to add this to the end animation, which should be really easy. I improved the auto roll UI by adding a swipe animation. This one is going to be pretty cool, you'll see what I mean. And just like that, the auto roll is finally done. I have put on the fastest settings, so this will be the maximum speed that you'll be able to get. I'm afraid if I make it any faster, it'll break this system and the UI will start bugging. As you can see, I also added this slide-in animation for the auto roll button. I'm glad that I was able to make this system pretty fast. Challenge 1 is completed, and I was able to successfully script all the upgrades, and now I have to move on to challenge 2, which is going to be really hard. I need to make an entire map, and I'm not going to copy Pets Go, because I don't want to get sued. Every map needs assets, so I hopped on a 3D modeling software called Blender and made a base plate and a couple more things, like this palm tree, grass, and many more assets. I'm done modeling these assets, and I made a bunch of them, starting from hills all the way up to trees, and even a sign. This time I tried going for a different style by adding way more details. Hopefully it'll look very good. I'm doing a different style, so this time I used the different software, and the end result is crazy. It's already past midnight and I wasn't able to finish all of these assets because texturing this way takes way more time. I have to import these in Substance Painter, paint all the faces, and then import it back in Blender. By the time you'll see the next clip, they will be fully textured and imported in Roblox Studio. You can get this asset pack for yourself, along with other high quality assets and pre-made game templates, all available on my website. There are also free kits, like this checkpoint system and a kill brick template. Let me know any suggestions to what I should add next, but for now, click on the link in the description to learn more. I started by designing the map layout. I have an idea of making some tropical islands. And I started by adding some trees. The surface is pretty flat, so I added some mountains to make it better. I was doing this at school and got caught, so there is no more footage. I'm sort of done with the map layout and I think it looks pretty good, but it's missing something, maybe like more details or more islands, I don't really know. More details were definitely needed, so I added more mountains and hills, placed a couple of rocks, and this should look good. And just like that, the map is done, and I added some extra details like these hills, more palm trees, and a bunch of rocks. I also made this little island, but I don't know what it's going to be for, so let me know any of your ideas in the comment section. I'd say challenge 2 is completed, but I'm not stopping here. I want to remake this hover effect that you see in Pets Go, and I started by making the UI. It'll hold the pet's name, rarity, and how many of them exist. I scripted it by detecting when a user hovers over this image and then simply made the hover UI appear. And I'm done. As you can see, now it works, but there are some problems. First of all, since this is an RNG game, animations are really important, so I will add some. And also there's a problem where sometimes it doesn't display the frame correctly. I will have to improve this system and also fix it. To fix it, I had to enable this one property, interactable. It's really late, but I was so stupid. It's always just one property that fully fixes the problem. I'm surprised that the exist system still works, because I thought that I would crash Roblox servers. The last feature that I wanted to make is events. Every X amount of minutes, a random event will appear, giving players a boost. There is going to be a boost for luck and roll speed. Once again, I scripted the system while being at school. And just like that, I'm done with the notification system, and there is a new lucky event. After around 20 seconds, it should end. There is the notification that it has ended, and it also picked a new event, which is going to be roll speed. There are some issues that I have to fix, so let's get to work. I made the boosts work and overall improved the system. I have successfully made these events give you the benefits. Currently there is a 20% luck boost, so maybe I can get something really good. And I got a cat, great. Now it has ended and I'll wait for the roll speed to show you that it actually works. As you can see, my roll speed was 2.5 seconds, and now when the event is active, it's only 2 seconds. So it's 20% faster. I was able to do a lot in this episode, made the whole map, scripted many features, and finally got auto roll to work. Maybe you can learn a thing or two from me remaking this popular game. Anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and peace.